American Thunder cat back on a Cobra. Let's get it. YouTube, what is going on? This is your boy Chris right here, and today we got some exhaust footage coming up for you guys. And this exhaust I did not put on the car. It kind of came with the whole deal when I bought the thing. But it's the American Thunder catback that's on a 98 Mustang Cobra, aka Venom. And I just want to give you guys a little bit of exhaust clips. So, enough of me talking, let's just get right over to it. Cold start!
It's quiet. Too quiet.
So that's pretty much the video. Just to let you guys know, a little bit of a run around. It's the Thunder or American Thunder catback with regular cats. So the OEM catalytic converters on the car. That's the sound that it produces with just the catback alone. Just so you know. And to wrap up the video, this is pretty much it. Wanted to do a little quick video just on the exhaust because I know there's people out there that probably don't know what the American Thunder catback sounds like. Maybe American Muscle does a little bit of, you know, sound tuning. I don't know, but that's what it sounds like with my camera, my kind of point of view. So that's that. If you guys enjoyed this video in any kind of way and you found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and as well as ring the notification bell. And until this has been your boy Chris Wright, I see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
La maltrate, no es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para la nube.